access denied,
Yeah.
or even worse, you do not have access to this service. Nope, not today.
Totally.
Well, that's what we're going to fix today. We're going to get into a simple fix
Okay.
so that you can get back to creating. You ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, so first things first, we're going to reset Photoshop's preferences. Open up Photoshop, go to the Edit menu,
Okay.
and then go down to Preferences, and then go over to General, and there's a button in there that says Reset Preferences on Quit. Click that, and then close Photoshop. What about that doesn't work? What do we do next?
All right, so if that didn't work, let's move on to step 2. So go ahead and find that Photoshop application file. You know the one you click to actually open Photoshop?
Right.
Usually it's called photoshop.exe.
Gotcha.
Right, click on that.
All right, and then what?
So then you're going to go to Properties, and then click on the Security tab. And from there, hit Edit. Now in that new window, there's a button that says Add. Click on that, and then you see that box that says Enter the object names to select. Go ahead and type in 8.
You.
Yeah, just AU, and then hit Check Names. And what your system's going to do is it's probably going to fill that in to be authenticated users.
Oh, yeah.
So, just making sure it's the right thing. Click OK, and then you should see authenticated users listed. Select that, and then you'll see below permissions for authenticated users.
Yeah.
Find full control, and you want to make sure that box next to it in the Allow column is ticked.
Ticked.
Yep, and then Apply, and then OK to save those changes. Right.
Is there anything else?
There is one more thing, one final step. Let's give Photoshop that extra little boost of authority.
Okay.
Go ahead and restart your computer. Now, once your computer's back up and running, find the Photoshop application again. Right-click on it, and this time select Run as Administrator.
Run as administrator. Got it. Have you ever run into any, weird issues like this with Adobe products? Write them down in the comments. Let's see, what other kind of weird stuff we can fix. Thanks for listening, everybody.
See you in this one.
See ya.